Probably nagtataka kayo kung anong brand itong i-review ko today. Wiko. And this is a new entry na smartphone brand dito sa atin. And gusto ko i-share sa inyo kung gaano kaganda itong phone na ito. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Buksan natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So hawak natin is the Wiko T50. And this is a new entry na smartphone brand dito sa Pilipinas. And it's a French brand. So I'm sure na ang mga French magaling mag-design, magandang gumawa ng phone. And I'm excited to show this to you kung ano nga ba ang special features meron nito. And by the way guys, this phone is retailing at 9,990 here in the Philippines for the 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Simulan natin ang unboxing. So kita natin ang box is very simple, white na white, no nonsense. Yan, kita natin, ganun kasimple lang ang phone na ito. And pagbukas natin, outright, kita na natin yung phone, si T50. And it's very slim. I love the way it feels. Sarap hawakan, no? Nipis niya. And of course, I love the color. Meron ko is the aqua green. There's also other two colors, the pink and the black. So further inside, meron siyang sleeve na naglalaman ng isang jelly case, just like any jelly case from other smartphone brands. And of course, ang kanang SIM ejector tool na kakailanganin mo mamaya paglagay ng SIM card. Meron din siyang USB Type-C cable and a 40 watts na fast charging brick. Guys, 40 watts to. And you need a adapter to be able to use your charger. Bili lang kayo sa mga favorite hardware ninyo for the adapter. Like I told you, ang design is very elegant. Dahil meron siyang French aesthetics, it makes things a lot better. Dahil mga French, so magaling sila mag-design and I expect this one to be nothing less than a good feeling na phone. Ang nipis niya, 179 grams is so light. Grabe. And the other things dito, sasabihin ko sa inyo, mag-phone tour muna tayo and sa ilalim, meron siyang loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course, ang kanyang SIM tray. So pag sundot mo ng SIM tray, makikita mo, it can only support 2 nano SIM. And 4G lang siya, hindi ka makapag-expand ng micro SD card. Ibabaw, meron siyang IR blaster, audio jack, and of course, ang kanyang noise cancelling mic. Sa kabilang side, meron siyang power button / fingerprint scanner and of course, ang kanyang volume rocker. Sa likod, triple camera setup na 64MP main sensor. Then sa harap, meron siyang 16MP na front selfie shooter. First impression ko dito sa kanya is ang ganda ng kanyang display. 6.6-inch FHD+. Hindi siya AMOLED but ang ganda ng kanyang screen to body ratio. 94% ang kanyang screen to body ratio. Normally, makita na sa smartphone, nag-range around 87 to 90. And probably the only one na alam ko na meron ganong screen-to-body ratio is Xiaomi Mi Mix. This one, 94, is quite impressive. Kita natin sa sides niya, ang nipis ng kanang bezels. Except sa ilalim, medyo makapal konti. Sa ibabaw, manipis din. So, giving you the full screen experience na hinahanap mo, ang kanyang edgeless display is definitely something that you should consider if you like to watch videos, binge watch ng mga Korean novela on Netflix. And this one is definitely a good device if you're looking for something like that. Tinry ko manood ng videos dito, nag-enjoy ako. YouTube, Netflix, grabe. Even na level 3 wideband security level lang siya, hindi ka mapag-down ng HD dito sa Netflix. But the display on this one is definitely nice. Even na 60Hz lang din siya. Well, okay na okay pa rin siya. And browsing on Facebook, on Twitter, on IG, okay na okay. Smooth na mga experience nito. Hindi mo ma-feel na parang mabibitin. I'm sure na you love this phone once na hawakan mo siya dahil sa kanyang edgeless display. Doon palang impressed na ako. And this phone only has one down-firing speaker dito sa ilalim. Gusto natin i-try kung gaano kalakas nga ba ang sound nito. Would it satisfy your movie watching or kailangan mo gumamit ng 3.5mm audio jack at ikabit ang yung favorite headphones? Pakinggan natin.
Yeah, we headed for the sun. Shawty got my heart, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I
Well, the sound is just average. Hindi siya ganong kalakas, hindi rin siya ganong kahina, nasa gitna lang siya. And I would highly suggest na gamitin mo ang 3.5mm audio jack para ma-maximize mo ang immersive experience. Kasi ang ganda na ng screen niya while you're watching, and of course gusto mo rin equally nice din ang kanyang sound. So, either use a Bluetooth TWS or your favorite wired headphones, it's all okay. Now, itong phone na ito is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G85. It's quite a powerful chip na nasa mid-range siya, no? And it can really perform. Binigyan ko lahat ng multitasking dito. Lahat kayang-kaya na i-handle nang walang kaproblema. And nakatanggap pa siya ng 216,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark, which is for me okay na average for itong price point na meron nitong phone na ito. And si Wiko T50 has a battery size of 4,000 mAh of battery. And I know that it's not the largest in the industry dahil 179 grams ang itong phone na ito. So, probably nilitan nilang konti ang battery para magaan siya. And it can support as fast as 40 watts na fast charging. And charging from 0 to 100 takes roughly an hour. Tapos na, ganun kabilis siya. Ang phone na ito has an impressive battery life. 10.5 hours ang kaya na itagal sa kanyang screen on time based dito kay PC Mark. And ginamit ko naman siya for roughly 2 weeks na dito sa aking channel. And I was quite impressed with the battery life nitong phone na ito. It was able to last me for a day without problem on normal usage like browsing the web, social media, taking some Viber calls, then of course playing some mild games, and of course taking some photos. And it lasts me through the day. Wala ka problema. Impressive battery life. And speaking of gaming, nag-try ako ng dalawang game dito, Call of Duty Mobile and Asphalt 9. Ang kanyang graphic settings, binabaan ko ng konti because I know na MediaTek Helio G85 is just yung mid-ranger for gaming. Hindi siya yung sobrang bigatin na pang gaming, but it can game. So, sinet ko a little bit lower ang kanyang graphic settings para hindi ako mahirapan or hindi ko ma-feel masyado ang mga frame drops and of course yung lags along the way. So, the gameplay is nice. I love the big screen na meron itong phone na ito. It was giving me a very nice experience dahil halos buong buo akin yung screen. 94% ang screen to body ratio. Definitely is a plus, a bonus for any gamers out there. And the touch sensing on this one is quite fast. I was able to, well, win a lot of rounds here in Call of Duty Mobile. And I love the graphics here. Okay na okay siya. Even, there are times talagang mafe-feel mo may frame drops and sometimes may kunting lags. It's okay. And, of course, dito sa Asphalt 9, I was able to breeze through several laps here na walang problema. There are times na pag lumipad ang aking kotse, mafe-feel ko parang nabibitin konti, naghahang konti sa air bago siya buwababa. Dahil siguro may frame drops nga talaga dito sa phone na ito. And yeah, overall, the gameplay was great. Though it's not the best experience on a mobile device. Of course, syempre mga gaming phones would be a lot better. But this one can give you yung moderate gaming. Yung hindi kang heavy gamer, pwede to sa'yo. Now, gusto natin pag-usapan ang camera nitong phone ni Wiko T50. It has triple camera setup. 64MP main lens, 8MP ultra-wide lens, and 2MP ang kanyang macro lens. Sa harap, 16MP na front shooter. And pinagmamalaki ni Wiko na maganda ang camera nito. Superb cameras. So, nilabas nga natin dito. Outdoors. Yes, true enough, nakakuha ko ng mga impressive outdoor shots using this phone. And I was really blown away with all of those good quality photos that I was able to intake dito sa phone na ito. Punchy, ang ganda ng mga color production. I was really surprised, sa new entry na phone here in the Philippines, and was able to perform like almost a flagship level. Ang kanyang camera is definitely something that I was impressed dito sa phone na ito. Then of course, going indoors, okay din ang mga indoor shot using the rear camera. I was also impressed with yung pag-zoom na itong phone na ito, no? Even though pagdating sa 5X is a bit blurry, but okay pa rin siya. And of course, trying to use the selfie camera, grabe, maganda rin ang selfie camera nito. But of course, in some dark spots, I can say na medyo nag-underperform siya konti dahil dumidilim ang mukha ko. But overall, kung may magandang ilaw, okay na okay. Ang ganda mag-intake ng mga photos ng phone na ito. And of course, trying sa video, I know na walang image stabilization to, medyo jerky konti, but the images are good, sharp and punchy. Probably you might need to buy yourself a gimbal if you're trying to vlog using this phone. Pwede siya pang vlogging. Now guys, yung Wiko, meron siyang giveaway sa official page nila. And here is the mechanics on how to join. So guys, na-impress nga ba si Gadget Sidekick dito sa Wiko T50? Overall, the design is nice. I like the feel, ang gaan niya. And of course, ang kanyang screen-to-body ratio na 94% is really jaw-dropping dahil ang nipis ng kanyang mga bezel. The camera is superb. The gaming is, well, okay lang, so-so. But overall, I can, well, really recommend this for 9,990. It's really packs a lot of punch, especially when you love photography. This phone can really perform and you should really consider it. Even though it's really brand new na brand, this is running already on Android 11 and I can assure you na smooth experience nito phone na ito. If you want to buy this phone, I'll be popping it on the description box below. Check nyo lang. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin ang bell icon para nyo na ma-miss ang mga future videos here sa aking channel. I have a lot of other video here. Check mo lang sa aking outro. And ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?